Gold on the rise and silver on the rise as well. So it's August 2026 and gold is almost back from 4,000 up to 4,500 US an ounce. And it's on its way back to 5,000 US, it would appear. Now, markets are fickle, as you know. And I look back in time at some of the videos of corporate beanbag, and sure enough, back in sort of April, May 2024, so just over 2 years ago, I was talking about gold being a new all-time high of 2,400 an ounce, and the fact that it's up, and this time I think it'll be sustainably up because of some words of an investment manager analyst at JB Weir in Sydney, Australia, and that it would continue to trend up. Now, I didn't know it would go as high as it did because it's doubled since then, and as high as 5,500. But it looks like it's definitely on the way back up again. It's very hard for it just to have a short-term trend that doesn't continue in the same way that other things do, because gold's a lot bigger as a market. And it's very, very strong. So gold and silver are back on the rise. That's because of buying. People are buying it. In gold's case, central banks and digital tokens that require gold backing, because that's part of their raison d'etre if they choose to say that they're gold backed. So there's real purchasing of gold, and some banks are calling for much higher prices by the end of 2026, like 6,000 US, which, I mean, we'll see what happens. But it's certainly looking very good for gold. And common sense, I mean, I suppose you could say common sense is financial advice, but not all financial advice is common sense. But common sense suggests diversity and being careful. And so I suspect that people are diversifying into gold because they're worried about other currencies. They want a mixture of Bitcoin and other things. And the net result is that the gold price is going up and could easily hit 5,000 US again quite soon. Gold's up 10, 12% in 10 days. So it's very, very interesting. It shows us something, and it's something to keep an eye on. Obviously, in June, July, we had the tech wreck, as it were, mini tech wreck, tech down, but my God, how it's bounced back. Yet people are complaining about the amount of AI spend. But the reality is OpenAI and Anthropic continue to show us a clean pair of heels. They're doing incredibly well. Their revenue's increasing, and there's no sign that it will stop for a long time. And by a long time, I mean 12 to 18 months, by which time it's sort of settled in. It's very tempting to talk about an AI boom and bust. It's very tempting to talk about an AI bubble, an AI build bubble, because so much money is going into it. But when so much is going into it and it's based off profits, it's based off earnings, and so many people want to buy this, and AI has not got to mass adoption. AI is not at mass adoption. It's really not. The reality is that this could go for a very, very, very long time, and it looks where markets are going back to the upside. Anyway, as I said in that 2024 video, tell me what you think. Email me on andrew@keops.com.au. That's andrew@keops.com.au. Thanks a lot.